Lot number 628.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Is an Ermac 176 ton breaker. That's what it's called, Josh? Breaker?
The breaker.
All right, we're gonna turn it on so you can see it's connected and it turns on. As you can see, it has some surface rust, but no penetrating rust. Not that we can see, not that I can see. The machine appears to be complete. It's connected. The person who used to operate it retired, and the city has no more longer use for it, and that's the reason why they're gonna just get rid of it. When was the last time it was serviced?
It was serviced in 2016.
2016 was the last time it was serviced. All right. And no issue since then. It's been working.
Yep, working, not a problem.
Okay, great.
Not that I know of.
Not that we know of, but remember, everything we sell is as is, where is. And these sheets of metal, they're gonna go with it?
Yes.
Okay, you got these sheets of metal back here that we're gonna include it with the machine. All right, here's the panel. That opens, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? See these two big hydraulic pumps? Armando,
Yes, go ahead.
there's two big hydraulic pumps in here. And that's what pushes this brake down.
3?
No, two. This one and that
Okay.
that one. That's what pushes the brake down.
Okay. This is a piston. The 2 hydraulic pumps, one on each side.
I'm going to show the breaker off.
That's what pushes it down. Where he says, look at this, it has cobwebs. You can tell they're not using it. All right, so let me see, I'll show you whatever I can see. Those of you that know what it is can appreciate it.
And it's got the foot.
There, it's got the foot pedal. And you just press that and that,
And then it pops down. That's
it
it.
goes down.
One down, one up.
Yeah, can you, will it work if you did it?
No, I don't. I ain't pushing it.
Yeah, Josh doesn't know anything about this machine. All he knows that that it was operational and it's not being used anymore because there's no one here to operate it. It appears to be in good condition. Just surface rust. Let me see what else I can show you. Pretty not much to see. That's it. Oh, one thing that's very important, we have a dismantler we can recommend if you don't have one. It will go out right through that door. So there's no walls that need to be knocked down or anything. So remember, whoever's doing the moving on this machine needs to be licensed and insured and know what they're doing. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll measure it now and give you the dimensions so you can have it, so you can have an idea of the size of this machine. Thank you and good luck.